Alright guys and girls, welcome back. During this video, I want to show you how you can create your description or general description about the project, okay? So the first thing to do is open the form. Got it? I just have an example here. And remember that during previous classes, we work on the back page, cover page, and the introduction. So those are the parts that must be ready. After this, after the introduction section, I need you to put your cursor here, okay? Right just at the end of the text. And we are going to add a new page. Remember, insertar, página en blanco. Okay? And it is very similar to the introduction section because we need to put a title just like in the first part, okay? So remember, you put it center, you put the bold letters or negrita, Times New Roman, 12 points. And here, you must type general description, okay? Press intro. And let's do the following. Let's align the text to the left. Make sure it has the sangria, okay? So it is good. And here, if you look at the form, you see that the answer has numbers, okay? What I need you to do, guys, is that put just a single paragraph. Got it? Lo que necesitamos hacer entonces es que esto nos quede en un solo párrafo. Que no nos quede numerado, sino escrito en un parrafito. How can we do that? So, the first part is going to be select the beginning of our text, okay? So, let's copy and paste it here, but heads up here. It is very important that you right click, okay? On the surface below the title. Right click and select the last option. That is this one. Got it? Mantener solo texto. That's the option we need to click. And erase the number. Erase this number. So here you can start your general description with my project. Erase this. My project is an electric car made of recycled materials and it can also move around several types of surfaces. Let's continue. In order to put the second answer, so it is useful to show how real cars work and have fun. Okay, so we are going to take this second line, go back to your work. Okay, and we can put a connector. A connector is something that allows us to put together two different ideas. Remember, erase two, okay? In that way, we have one separate paragraph. So my project is an electric car made of recycled materials and it can also move around several types of surfaces. Also, it is useful to show how real cars work and to have fun. Period here. Got it? Press intro, and the other part of our general description is about putting the logo and the materials that you need. Materials can have the numbering, it's okay. So for the materials, I'm gonna put a subtitle. Got it? So for instance, materials. And here, it is possible to use this tool, that is the bullet points tool. Go back to your form, select the materials, Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, or copiar, and paste it But remember to be careful with this option. ¿Por qué lo pegamos así, muchachos? ¿Por qué usamos esa herramienta al momento de pegar? Porque miren lo que pasa si yo simplemente pego con control V. La letra es diferente. ¿Sí ven? Esta letra sería diferente a esta. ¿Got it? Y el interlineado también es diferente. Remember that the line spacing or interlineado is the space between one line and the other one. So that's the reason why once you're gonna pass this text from the form into the writing paper, it is important that you use mantener solo texto. Okay? The other part of general description is going to be the logo. The logo. So we need to scroll down until our logo. And we can just copy the logo or insert it directly into the writing paper. So for the logo, I needed to put another title for it. Logo, press intro, put it in a regular font, sorry. Okay? And here you have your general description, the materials, and the logo. For the other part of the writing paper, so let's take a look into the other part. The other part is objective. So you need to go back here, insert a new page. Remember, insertar, página en blanco. Got it? And here we have objective. Objective, that is going to be this. Okay? Remember, if you see that this is not center, look at this. This is not center. So we need to make sure sangría is in 0. Got it? Porque miren que se corrió mucho ese título, no quedó centrado. Entonces, no le vamos a poner sangría para que no nos quede descuadrado. Now, go back here, okay? Click on here. Y como este es un párrafo, este sí va a llevar la sangría. Entonces le vamos a poner 0.5 special first line. Aceptar. And you can go back into your form and we're gonna search the general objective. Let's say that my objective is showing how real cars work through the use of recycled materials and technology. Okay, let's say that this is my general objective. I'm going to select this, copy, and remember, paste it with the special paste. Right click, opciones de pegado, mantener solo texto. Got it? And then we can continue with the other part of the work. The other part of the work are the conclusions. With the conclusions, you can put 2 or 3. 2 or 3 are good. So click at the end, insertar, página en blanco, and you're gonna do the title of this page. Conclusions. Got it? Again, we put it to the left and we number our conclusions. Como son 2, entonces las vamos a enumerar utilizando la herramienta numeración. So 1, what is my conclusion? Okay, so I could conclude that cars are useful for the human development. I'm just inventing some conclusions. Press enter and put your other conclusion here. you must have your conclusions. You must create your conclusions based on your project. Information sources, guys, is the same that we call webgraphy. So it's okay. You can just copy and paste those links over the webgraphy. So insertar, erase this number. We don't need this number. Put it as a title. Webgraphy. Okay. Press intro. Again, let's put it here to the left and use some bullet points. Para que quede más organizado, podemos utilizar viñetas para poner nuestra webgraphy. So let's say that one of my links is the blogs link. Okay, press intro. And let's say that the other is this video. Got it? It's just an example. And so on. Okay? This is what I needed to do. After you put all of the information, you can now save your work. Archivo, guardar como, examinar, and we're going to find the folder that is called Technology Class. And remember, the name of your project must be Technology Project. Guardar. Now this is ready to be applied into the classroom, okay, guys? So if you have any other question, please let me know. Leave me the observations over classroom or directly during class. Bye-bye.